Hi everyone! So today the weather here is starting to get colder. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to pick up some free mulch and prepare my garden bed for the winter. Before the winter come, I always cover my garden bed with mulch. It serves it as a blanket for the winter. I am very fortunate to get some free mulch in our area. All you have to do is drive your car there and bring some shovels with you. We've been busy working on our front island. I just planted new plants in here, and next year I'll be excited to show them with you. Now I'm going to add this free mulch in our new beds, and this mulch will serve as a blanket and a fertilizer as well because it will get composted over time. Here's how the front island looks like right now. We've also added mulch here in this island. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to share with you the new island next year. Bye for now and have a great day.